Discover the transformative power of Google Analytics for your online business. In this detailed guide, we delve into how this vital tool can revolutionize your approach to data-driven decision-making. Learn to track and understand your audience's behavior, giving you insights into what drives them to your site and how they interact with your content. With this knowledge, optimize your marketing campaigns by targeting your efforts more effectively and efficiently. Improve your website's performance by identifying and rectifying pain points, ensuring a smoother user experience that keeps visitors engaged. Pinpoint key areas for growth by analyzing trends and patterns, positioning your business to scale strategically. Make informed decisions with real-time data, giving you the agility to respond to market changes promptly. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned entrepreneur, our comprehensive guide is designed to equip you with the knowledge to harness the full potential of Google Analytics. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your business strategy with insights that truly matter. Tune in now for a detailed breakdown, presented with the same professional and polished appearance on both YouTube and TikTok platforms. Our in-depth content comes in 4K quality for exceptional clarity and detail. Incorporate relevant graphics and icons related to Google Analytics and data analysis, ensuring that branding elements are cohesive and align with your channel's aesthetic. This ensures a consistent and identical visual experience for your audience across all platforms. Empower your business today with the critical insights provided by Google Analytics and watch it transform your strategy and outcomes.